Hi there! This video talks about the Deep Insight paper. The full title is Deep Insight, a methodology, to transform a non-image data, to an image for convolution neural network architecture. Written by Sharma and team. Published in Scientific Reports Journal in the year 2019.
It is critical, but difficult, to catch the small variation in genomic, or other kinds of data, that differentiates phenotypes or categories. A plethora of data is available, but the information from its genes or elements, is spread over arbitrarily, making it challenging to extract relevant details for identification. However, an arrangement of similar genes into clusters, makes these differences more accessible, and allows for robust identification, of hidden mechanisms, for example pathways, than dealing with elements individually. Here we propose, Deep Insight, which converts non-image samples, into a well-organized image form. Thereby, the power of convolution neural network, CNN, including GPU, utilization can be realized for non-image samples. Furthermore, Deep Insight enables feature extraction, through the application of CNN for non-image samples, to seize imperative information, and shown promising results. To our knowledge, this is the first work to apply CNN simultaneously, on different kinds of non-image datasets, RNA-seq, vowels, text, and artificial.
Deep Insight approach has been applied to many other applications. Recently, a competition was organized by the Broad Institute of MIT and Harvard, on the Kaggle.com platform. The title was Mechanisms of Action Predictions, where it was required to develop an algorithm that can classify drugs based on their biological activities. Over 4,000 teams participated. The winning team of Peng applied Deep Insight feature mapping, with 5 other models, to score rank 1 of over 4,000 teams.
The Python package and MATLAB package links are given in the description below.